Okay, it's August 5th, 2017. We put an extra feeder up here yesterday. Both of them was full. Anyway, I counted 14 hummingbirds out here this morning. Let's see if I can get some of this on. Alright, I can get into it. If I go out there, I'll spook them. They chirp. Check it out. And their wings do stop when they sit to eat. Bring it down. They run back and forth from one to the other. Look how cute. Something nice to see. I get a kick out of them. Oops. I was hoping to get a whole bunch of them on video. Gonna bring it down and see when they start coming around. They're so tiny, so cute. And that one left. Got one over here on this one. I have to do it to the screen. If I go out there, I'll spook them off. Can't be cute. Ain't this sweet? I ain't got another one over here. A couple of them there. Yeah, they drank all this stuff up overnight. Well, since yesterday. I never knew they chirped till a couple of years ago when I first heard them. Never paid no mind to it. All right. Take care.